Hi guys, you've got a black screen on your iPhone or iPad. Okay, don't worry, don't go to the store. Let's fix it, let's rock. Okay, you've got a screen like this. Yep, pitch black. Okay, you might have dropped it. You might have bashed it somewhere. Anyway, it's quite an easy fix, guys. All you need to do is this. Okay, all you need to do is press the power button there. Okay, not yet. Press the power button at the same time as pressing this button, okay, on the side. That one just there. Press them both at the same time for about 10 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there we are. It should reboot. Simple and sorted. Hope that's helped you out, guys. Enjoy, and thanks for watching. Rock and roll.
Well, I'm so tired of crying, but I'm out on the road again.